Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2006 Ford F-150 LARIAT, and in this video I will show you which two fuses to check in case your power mirrors or heated mirrors are not working. This video will apply to Ford F-150s made from 2004 all the way up to 2008. Okay, both fuses are located in the main fuse box, and now I will show you how to access it. It's located just next to the passenger right leg. Okay, let me just turn the flash on my phone. Okay, now first you'll have to remove this cover. You can do that by pulling it towards yourself, just like this. That way you will get access to the fuse box cover. Now to remove that, the best way is to use a flat screwdriver, just to pry it down here and then pull it straight up, and that way it will just pop out and you will get access to all of the fuses. Okay, so for the power mirrors you want to check fuse number 3, which is a 7.5 amp fuse, and it's located right here. Okay, this is the one. And for the heated mirrors you want to check fuse number 8, and that's the 10 amp red fuse located right here. So these are the two fuses you want to check. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.